From the heart of the land, farming is the lifeblood of families, communities, and the country as a whole. The life cycle of arable crops begins with the soil, carefully prepared to nurture new life. Modern technology helps farmers cultivate more efficiently, ensuring food security for generations to come. Seeds are planted, taking root beneath the surface. Green shoots rise, and fields transform into waves of green growth. With time and care, the crops mature, ready for harvest. Massive combine harvesters sweep across the land, gathering the bounty that farmers have worked tirelessly to grow. Finally, the harvest is transported from the fields, carrying the yields of the season to markets and communities. Across various terrains, skilled riders on horseback guide beef cattle together, moving them with precision and care. Once gathered, the animals are brought to handling facilities where each one is weighed, ensuring accurate records of their growth and health. Next comes dosing, vital treatments that protect the herd from disease and keep them strong. Large trucks stand ready to transport the cattle safely from the farm to their next destination, continuing the cycle of food production. Meanwhile, in the pastures, sheepdogs fulfill their duties with instinct. Agile and disciplined, they round up flocks of sheep, guiding them into fenced enclosures. Here, farmers carefully examine each animal, checking for signs of illness and administering medical treatments where needed. Across the African plains, majestic sable antelope, blesbok, and powerful buffalo graze freely in open fields. These iconic species and others are not only symbols of Africa's natural heritage, it's a source of significant financial benefit for the country, where conservation and commerce work hand in hand to sustain communities and preserve Africa's wild beauty. In modern dairies with advanced milking systems, technology ensures efficiency and hygiene. After delivering their produce more than once a day, the cattle enjoy a healthy snack to prepare for the next milking cycle. Although goat farming may be unfamiliar to many, goat milk is highly valued, especially across Africa, where demand continues to grow. Together, dairy cattle and goats highlight the diversity of livestock farming. These simple, joyful moments, feeding and watching the chickens, is a safe way for children to take part in everyday farm life. Through these experiences, they learn not only how to care for animals, but also about the bigger farming pictures. Chickens provide daily food in the form of eggs and meat. Poultry farming supports families and communities and can generate substantial income. Horses have long been trusted as farm implements, helping with daily work. But they also offer much more. Opportunities for recreation, for developing skills, and for families to grow closer through shared experiences. Horses remind us that life on the farm is not only about work, but also about togetherness and the lasting memories created along the way. In the vineyards, careful hands examine the plants, cut away weeds, protecting the vines as they grow. Timely spraying to guard against pests to ensure a healthy harvest. Barrels are being prepared in cool cellars where the wine master tastes and refines the product with skill and tradition. Visitors can experience the different rich flavors right here on the farm where it is produced. In orchards across the land, new fruit trees are carefully planted and nurtured. Irrigation systems bring life to the young plants, ensuring strong growth for seasons ahead. Workers sort and select the finest fruits, cherries in this case, packaging them neatly into boxes for markets near and far. New fields are prepared, ready for the next cycle of planting. Honeybees contribute to the success of the yield. Fruit farming is labor-intensive with a story of dedication, care, and abundance. Time to harvest from the rows of ripe trees, collecting the bounty of nature's work. In a typical vegetable garden, the cycle begins with hard work, soil prepared by hand and weeds carefully removed. Irrigation brings water to the rows, helping plants thrive under the sun. As the season unfolds, ripe vegetables are proudly collected, a reward for patience and care. These harvests don't just feed families, they become part of daily meals, fresh from the garden to the table. It's a simple yet powerful example of subsistence farming, a practice that can be done almost anywhere, turning small spaces into sources of nourishment and self-reliance. At the heart of farming lies its final purpose, to provide food. Friends and family enjoy times together when preparing and enjoying food. People gather around tables to share in the harvest. Laughter, conversation, wine and song. The bounty of the land becomes more than nourishment. It becomes joy, connection and community with lasting memories at the table. Farming feeds families and people across the nation. Without farmers, we cannot survive. I have the greatest admiration for their dedication, hard work, and mastering so many skills to do what they do every day.